Forcing the Galaxy S24 to use LTE instead of 5G can help conserve battery life, reduce data usage, and improve connectivity in areas with weak 5G signals. Here's how it's done. Tap the Home button to return to the home screen. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Find and tap on Connections. In the Connections menu, tap on Mobile Networks, then tap on Network Mode. You'll see several options here. Select LTE, 3G, 2G, Auto Connect. This setting prioritizes LTE and will only switch to 3G or 2G if LTE isn't available, effectively disabling 5G. Once you've made your selection, tap the Home button to exit the settings. However, if you encounter mobile network issues with your phone after doing this, then all you need to do to fix them is to reset the mobile network settings. To do that, launch Settings again, and then tap on General Management. Tap on Reset and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap on the Reset Settings button to proceed. And that's pretty much it. It should fix the network issues with your Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.